What's going on, guys? Today we're going to do an install on my boy's Focus ST. I'm going to do the Roush exhaust install. And here we go. Simple install. Unbolt it right there. Take the 2 bolts off and the gasket off. Then the hardest part of this whole entire job is just cutting right here. We got electric saw. I'm gonna go saw right through that, and that's pretty much it. Then you just literally bolt the new one on. Out. That's the hardest part, is you gotta cut that in half to get it over the axle, because, well, if you don't want to cut your exhaust in half, you gotta take this whole subframe down. So we decided to cut it in about 10-minute job. Looks so much better already.
Go back on.
The big ass suitcase delete. Just kind of fiddle with it. Make sure it's not touching the car anywhere, because if it does, it's gonna cause a lot of droning noise, and it's not gonna sound very good. And also make sure it's not touching back here either, because like ours is touching back here. So we gotta fix that. And also the tips are off again. We'll fix that again. Alright, we were able to fix one of the rubbing issues by swapping out this tip for the other one. The one was straight and this one's a little crooked and it has a little bend in it. So that fixed this issue. And he'll just have to get another hanger and that'll fix the touching the subframe issue.
Hey Dante.